Hello and welcome to the instructions for Word Module A Homework Assignment number 3. It's called Hot and Fresh Bakery. So the first thing we're going to do is view this as a one-page document, and you'll notice that there's lots of room on the bottom. What we're going to do after we do our copy and paste is put it in the center of the page. We'll vertically center it. It'll do it automatically with a quick little button. So I'm going to go back to 100%. And what we want, if you're curious about what type of font I used, if you click anywhere in the title, you'll see that I used Ravy size 20 and the font Kristen ITC 14 and then Times New Roman 12. So if you just want to see what I used, you can just click and it tells you what was selected. So I'd like you to select the flavors of the donuts, but don't take that blank one under chocolate. Just the items, because otherwise you'll be moving that blank line or copying that blank line. Now I'm going to have you open the clipboard. If you have anything in there, you can clear it. Remember, it holds up to 24 items. Now before I copy it, because I want them placed under each item, croissants, cookies, Danish, and muffins, I want it in alphabetic order. So I'll select from the Home tab in the paragraph group A to Z, and I want it to sort by paragraph. You can always move this out of the way by selecting the title. Paragraph means each line, and I want it in alphabetic order. It's text. Ascending order is alphabetic, and then click OK. Perfect. Now I'll click Copy, and it goes into your clipboard. Click so that the flashing cursor, the insertion point, is under croissants, and then I'm just going to click it, and it places it right in there. Click under cookies, go there first. You could click the down arrow and paste, or you can click the clipboard up here in the clipboard group. And then Danish, you can actually right-click and choose Paste. Or under Muffins, when you're ready, Control-V. So if we view this now, one page, you'll notice that it's still up a little bit too high because it's at that 1-inch top margin. So to center it vertically, just click Layout. And then from the page setup group, click this little dialog box launcher. You can close the clipboard pane if you want. And then choose, if you look at the first one, margins, it shows your top, bottom, left, and right, which are the default margins of 1 inch. And it's in portrait, that's the default setting, and there's your preview. Paper, you probably never go in here because it's always the same 8.5 by 11. Layout, we're looking at page vertical alignment. So it's set to be at the top, 1 inch from the top. We want to change it to center. And we're going to go to borders, but I just want you to click, I'm going to click OK. And you can see that it automatically placed it in the middle of this page. So let me go back here, and I'll go to borders. And in here, we're working with page borders. Now you can select, this is a sample of what your page would look like. You can change the style, you can change the color, and you can change the thickness. In here is art, and because this is a bakery, I'm going to choose muffins. You do have the option to change the size of the muffins. The biggest it'll get is 31 points, and it's going to do the whole page, the whole document. So I'm going to click OK. There's my muffins, and I'm going to go back to design, and this is where we were in page borders. You can get it from here, or where we got it was from here. It's the same thing, but what I want to do now is go to page color. So I just want to show you it's the same dialog box. In page color, I want the background to be a light color, and then I'm going to go into Watermark, and if you select Do Not Copy, it'll show very lightly in the background of the page, or there are other options too, as soon as possible, urgent, or go to Custom Watermark and type, I'm going to type my first name and apply, so you can have your name there. Or what we're going to do is go to Picture and select a picture, and from the Bing search engine, I'm going to type muffins. And you can select anything you'd like and insert. And once it's in there, you click Apply, so it goes over the name. And it's faded, it's hard to see. Uncheck Washout. And then Apply. and then you have your muffins as a background in the picture. Go ahead and close out of here. So in this one, we worked with copy and paste, different ways to copy and paste. We center the text vertically. We added a page border and page color and a watermark. Please submit this. Thank you.